Hello, it's Cheryl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a Valentine's Day makeup look. I have a rough idea of what I want to create. I know for sure it's going to involve some red and pink because, you know, it's Valentine's Day, so yeah. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want and turn on my post notifications so you get notified whenever I upload. To start off, I am going to put some lotion on my face because my cheeks are always dry, and today I am actually going to use foundation. The color of my face is so much whiter than my neck. It's because I always put sunscreen on my face but not on my neck. I always forget to put on my neck, or I just feel like it's, you know, I don't like the feeling on my neck. For foundation today, I am using MAC's Pro Longwear. So what are you guys doing for Valentine's Day? My boyfriend and I are kind of long distance. We live like 2 hours away because he goes to school there and we only see each other. Oh man, this foundation is too light on me. But it's okay, we can use some bronzer and just... So yeah, my boyfriend and I, we live 2 hours away because he goes to school there and we only see each other on the weekends. So he usually comes home for the weekend, which I'm very thankful for because I don't really like driving long distance. And I think this year Valentine's Day is on a Thursday, so I won't be seeing him. That's sad. But that's okay, we can always celebrate on the weekend. It's really light on me, but that's okay. We can always fix it with the brown. I mean, my face is just a lot lighter than my neck. That's the problem. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. For concealer, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I'm just gonna put it underneath my eye, a little bit on the eyelid, my nose bridge, chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Also, right here. And I like to put it right here a little bit just because I feel like the dark spots right here, I don't like that. Okay, and blend away. For eyebrows, I am using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Brush it out first. Eyebrows are done. Dramatic enough. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And forgot to set my face. For powder, I am using Maybelline's Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I love this powder. It's super affordable, and honestly, it's really similar to Laura Mercier's translucent powder. For me, this is a drugstore version of the Laura Mercier. Alright, so let's dive into eyeshadows, which is the most fun part. So this morning I put together a few colors, and I think this is what I'm going for. This is from ColourPop, and it's in the shade Fortune Cookie. I'm gonna use my finger. It's pretty red. Just gonna apply. It's okay if it's messy. Wow, very pigmented. Whenever I am applying the eyeshadow that's so colorful, I always put the light concealer all over my eyelid. That way it shows the color pay off really well. Concealer is the easiest way, and also another trick, you can use the white eyeliner to cover your entire lid. That way it shows the color perfectly, because that's like a white canvas and it's just easier to show the colors. Cutouts. Just swiping it left and right. I feel like this one is more red than this one, so I'm going back in with the red color and just intensify it. And I'm going to use the same color cutouts applied to my lower lash line. If it's a little bit too much, you can always clean it with a Q-tip. Note to self, a little bit on the edge of my eye, right here. And then I'm going to add some shiny eyeshadow. This is the color Snake Eyes. I'm just gonna use my finger. It's so shiny. I'm gonna put it on my lid. So far so good. For bronzer, I'm using Physicians Formulas, as always. Do you see that dimension coming in? I really like this part, white. Bronzer on my nose. And this part too. To make it more three-dimensional. That's another Asian girl problem because my nose is super tiny. How do you guys feel about Valentine's Day? Because I know a lot of people hate it and they think it's just for business purpose, like they can sell more cute stuff. I don't know, I feel like I've always loved Valentine's Day because it's just another excuse for me to eat more chocolate, and when you walk into the stores, it's just a ton of like Valentine's like heart related stuff. It's just so cute, and I love pink. Everything is pink and heart and so many stuffed animals. I don't know, but that's just me. So even when I was single, I still love Valentine's Day, just like I love Easter, because whenever Easter comes around, there's always so many cute stuff in the stores. Bunnies, little chickies. It's just fun, you know, like if you don't have a Valentine, that's okay. Just be with yourself and eat chocolate. My boyfriend and I, we've been dating for almost 4 years now, which is kind of crazy. We started dating in March 2015, so it's right after Valentine's Day. So that year, I remember thinking that I really wanted him to be my Valentine's date, but I didn't ask, he didn't ask. We were both really shy before we started dating, and after we started dating, I told him like I wanted him to be my Valentine's date, and he said he wanted the same thing. I was like, you could have asked me and then we can just go on a date. But yeah, that didn't happen, but everything still worked out at the end. So that says something. If you want someone to be your Valentine's date, just ask. You know, who cares? Just ask. If it's a yes, perfect. If not, then just be by yourself. It's not the end of the world, so. I'm the type of person that I don't really like to make the move first because I feel like guys should make the move. Which, that shouldn't be it. Girls can make the move too. That's like before we're together. Like once that person became my boyfriend, I don't care, like I don't mind, like do something first. Like I'm just like a lot more open at that point. But if we were just like at the talking phase, I usually don't like to make the move first because of my personality and how I acted before me and my boyfriend started dating. He told me afterwards, he's like, I thought you didn't like me. Like I thought you were not into me. But actually at that time I really liked him, but I just didn't want to show because I feel like, you know, you just don't want to get hurt, I guess. I just didn't want to show him that because I didn't know if he feels the same way about me. And I'm just scared. I told my mom and I told my best friends. I'm usually really good at knowing what the guy is thinking, but that time around, I just really can't tell. I will be like, so does that mean he likes me? Or do you think he's into me at all? Like, I don't know. It was stressful. Like, I feel like that phrase, it was really stressful. For the blush, I am using Burt's Bees. This is the color Bare Peach, my favorite. I love this blush so much because, I don't know if you can tell, it has a sheen to it. And I like to put a little bit of blush on my nose bridge, like just the top part. Okay, maybe that's too much. For the highlighter, I am using Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. This highlighter, it's beautiful. It's not as intense as my Becca highlighter, but it gives you a very natural glow. Wow. You see that glow? Nose bridge. Hold on. My baby's knocking. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. She's knocking on the door. I mean, she didn't knock. She's meowing. She's meowing at the door. Hi. Say hi, pigs. She came to check on me. She's so sweet. She's looking at my messy makeup table. Back to the highlight. Wow. Highlighting, it's really magical. Oh my gosh, still have fur. Cupid's bow. A little around the chin. So shiny. I love it. And I'm gonna go in with this color. Roundhouse. It's just a very dark, like brown or purplish color. It's an eyeshadow. I like to use this and do my inner liner. I don't really like to use the liquid eyeliner anymore just because I feel like it's really hard to control. But an eyeshadow is just so much easier and more natural too, I feel like. For the setting spray, I am using Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. And my little fan is out of battery. Another way to dry it is to pat it in gently. But don't smoosh it because you don't want to ruin your makeup. I'm going to apply Touch's lip balm. I always make sure to apply lip balm before I put on my lipstick. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. So for my mascara, I am using Too Faced Better Than Sex. This mascara, it's good for the dramatic look and just create something that looks like falsy, but it's not. For my bottom lashes, I am using my old favorite, MAC's Extended Play Lash. This mascara is perfect when you only have 10 lashes. I almost forgot. I like to put highlighter over here. That's not shiny enough. That's more like it. That's more like it. ColourPop's eyeshadow, let me explain. It's perfect for highlighting. For my lipstick today, I am using Bobbi Brown's Crush Lip Color in the shade Cranberry. Let's see. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. This is my Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and happy Valentine's Day. Thanks for watching. Bye! For eyebrows, I am using Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pen. This is so hard. Say hi, pigs. You're so beautiful. There's like fur all over me now.